Good afternoon, Facebook and YouTube. It's a Sunday afternoon. We got ourselves a bit of a professional carpet cleaners Happy Valley. Now, I'm going to be going with professional carpet cleaners today, and how I came about that particular title for the video is that I went on both Google and Yelp, and that is a search term that I'm not currently ranked #1 for, as well as being a search term recognized by both platforms. So it kind of gives you a double whammy when you pick search terms that are recognized by both platforms there. So I'm going to go ahead and go inside with our vacuum cleaner, and we'll do a quick walkthrough as to what we're going to be doing today. Okay, here we are on the inside, and pretty much what I'm going to be doing, just a basic steam clean. Well, call it basic, but it's super deep steam cleaning. We're going to go through, we got ourselves one room, bedroom over here, pretty large area. It's probably about 600-700 square feet or so. But yeah, like I said, we're going to go through, we're going to give it all a good vacuum, we're going to put down our pre-spray, we're going to agitate it well, and then we will give it a steam out. So this will be a good deep carpet cleaning procedure that we're going to be doing in here today.